Hi, I'm Rob Pacone, Mercedes-Benz Smithtown Service Advisor, here to talk about pothole season. Spring is finally here, but that gives way to, unfortunately, a lot of potholes in the road, and with that, a lot of tire issues. Right here we have an example of one of the cars that's gone through a pothole, and you can see a bubble forms right here at the wheel area. What's going on right here is the inner liner of this tire has actually broken open. It's like a small mouth on the inside, so the inner liner is broken. Therefore, the bubble protrudes out, and this is a blowout waiting to happen. All right, so what we need to do, obviously, is replace the tire. But unfortunately, it doesn't end there, because with the tire replaced, that's all great. The problem is, though, the impact always causes an alignment issue. So to put tires on the car and not align the car, you're just asking for premature wear, and that leads to more money spent later. So an alignment is definitely in order after the replacement of a tire after a pothole impact of that nature.
Hi, my name's Arthur Tuck, one of the alignment techs here at Mercedes-Benz in Smithtown. Talk about wheel alignment a little bit. Rob spoke about the damage from potholes for the tires, then about the wheel alignment afterwards to correct any issues that happen due to the pothole. The main three alignment angles: the camber, which is the top of the tire leaning in and out; the caster, which is the wheel setback forward and back in the wheel well opening; and then the toe, which is the front tires aiming in and out. Any one of them can give you very bad tire wear, and nowadays tires are not cheap. It could range $200, $300, $400, $500 a tire. So you really want to make sure your alignment's in spec to protect the new tires you just put on. This is a 2016 GLA, hit a pothole off the expressway. When I'm pointing here, the whole rear subframe and control arm broke in half, separated, tore the subframe in half. So that's one thing you need to be careful on the roads of potholes. That's why we stress alignments after you get pothole damage repaired, and tires. Because things like this are happening, and sometimes you don't see it, and that could be there. You can see the top of the wheel, that's the camber leaned all the way in. The front of the wheel is pulled out, which is toe out, which is this right here, will wear this tire out. Probably in less than a few hundred miles, tire will be bald. That's why we're stressing wheel alignments after pothole damage and tire repair or replacement.
Visit us at Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown, located at 630 Middle Country Road, St. James, New York, or connect with us on the web at mbofsmithtown.com.